Hey up YouTubers, Simon B here, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're all keeping safe out there. Friday morning in the garage, usual sort of thing that we do, getting bikes prepped for the weekend, tours and everything else. But while we're here, we got a delivery from the Harden Enduro Store, which you probably saw on social media, depends if you follow me on that. We've got a bit of a giveaway on some of this stuff. So if you'd like to see what we're going to give away and some of the stuff that Harden Enduro Store could supply you and your Harden Enduro motorcycle, or it doesn't have to be hard enduro, some protection, they do some awesome stuff. You've seen the skid plates that we've had. This is a little bit extra stuff that they do. As they say, stick around and stay tuned.
Like and subscribe.
So you've probably seen a couple of last videos that we've had from the Harden Enduro Store. We had the 2 skid plates from them for the 300 here. And one for the 500 EXCF. Great bits of stuff from a company called Handguard. This gear is FR Moto. I don't know if it's one of their own stuff or they're buying it in for some. I don't know. But some of the stuff that they make is rather good. I've got a plethora of gear here to show you. Now, some of this stuff is really good. Some of you probably already got some of this stuff, and some of you may not have this stuff. For your basic sort of washing and cleaning and care of your motorcycle, take your air filter out, give it a good wash, put this in place of your air filter, and you can wash out your airbox and get all the rubbish and stuff out of it that may have been there from when you last rode it. One of these is one of the things that I was going to purchase myself, but thank you very much to Harden Enduro Store. They've sent me one. Now these could be a lifesaver to, well, if you're doing a lot of racing and stuff like that. So this thing is to stop your chain from getting stuck down between your sprocket and your spokes. And you can, once it's down there, because it's one's like that and one's like that, isn't it? It gets stuck in. And you can't get the bloody thing out, especially if it's come out off and it's gone in hard. Now this will stop that, and you'll better put it straight back on. But probably if your chain's coming off, it's probably a little bit loose. So your maintenance rubbish. So, but it will get you out of trouble because it won't be stuck down, and you won't need to dig everything out, which will be good. Polyurethane, I think this stuff is. It's not plastic. Well, it is plastic, isn't it? But it's a hard wearing plastic. We've got a fork top spanner with WP on it. I don't think you better see that. Yeah, you can see that on there. There we go. Look at that. And that's the FR Moto. Couple of other little bits that some people will say, well, yeah, you're not really need it, depending on what you're doing. But if you're racing, you guys, stuff like this could save your life. So this is a polyurethane bracket to go on your brake res, and there's another one for the clutch side. You know how what they usually do is you tighten them on too tight, you come off, snaps the top of it, and then you're bugging and you can't finish your race. Now this thing, because it's PU, you can tighten it up, but because it's PU, it'll slip. So when you do hit it hard, it will turn and won't snap the bracket on the master cylinder, which it usually does, doesn't it? Because the amount of people probably sell the repair kit for the clutch slide is I think they do well out of it. But with this equipment that we're going to this stuff we're going to show you now would probably complement that, but it might eradicate it. That you might not need one of them, but then again, why not while you're there? This bit of kit that we got sent here is the FR Moto handlebar guards. So a lot of people will have them, won't you? On this stuff is going to be some, a bit of hard enduro. So this is all you're getting is one bar. So it's a bit like a Barkbuster shape. Barkbusters are shaped like that. This is high grade aircraft grade aluminium, anodized black. You can get it in grey, but if you order it, you've got to tell them you want it in grey and not in black. They can also laser etch the front of it. Hang on, it'll be that way around, wouldn't it? The front of it with your bike, if you want. If you let that check on the website, you can see that, and it shows that. So this is your bracket. Instead of having brackets like this that go over your handlebars, what this bracket does, it clamps onto your 28 handlebars, and it's solid, and then that clamps onto there as it should do, and then all you've got is one bar instead of this thing. You put that in line with your lever, and then if you did fall off, your lever's fully protected, and hopefully it won't snap. 2 bolts each side. Take off your handlebar clamps. That's how that fits onto there. But what we're supplying with this is a full set of handlebars, because this kit hasn't got any anchors. But with these handlebars that we're going to give away as well, have a threaded, I get it out, a threaded insert in the end. The GPX bars have these already. So the good thing about it, when you buy a pair of handguards, you don't need to put the anchors in, you know, the anchors that you use for walls and stuff like that. They screw straight in. So the end of the guard will slot straight in. It's got a countersunk hole, comes with all your bolts, all your fixings, everything you need. We're giving this kit, including the handlebars and the full guard, the full handguard kit away. To have the chance of winning the handlebars and the guard kit, what you need to do, you need to go down in our description, my description box below, follow me on Facebook and follow the Harden Enduro Store on Facebook. There will be a post regarding this and how to win it. You probably have to tag a couple of mates into the post, share it on your story, and then from that we'll pick a winner and we'll get this sent out to you free of charge. This guard kit is just under $200, and handlebars I think around about $150. So there's $350 worth of equipment here. So we're not giving away just a piece of rubbish, because this, when Eugene said from the Harden Enduro Store, let's do a competition with this, what I've just sent you, I was dead disappointed because I was going to keep it myself. So anyway, but that's it. Aircraft grade aluminium, fully hardenized. You can get it in grey, and you can get it your emblem of whatever bike you're riding on there. So that's the FR Moto handlebar guard kit and handlebars that we're going to give away. 12% discount, I think. Simon B12, that'll be down there as well. Ships all over the world and sells some decent kit. GPX stuff, KTM stuff, Husqvarna, everything. They do stuff for most bikes. They do stuff for nearly every bike, and they do a lot of decent protection. So if you fancy that, check them out down below. It's a bit of a short one this week, but it was something to introduce you, to show you what sort of kit that the Harden Enduro Store can do for you. Links down below. Anything you want from them, get a look at it. Discount code, don't forget to use that. That's down there as well. 12%, something like that, shipping all around the world. Give us a big thumbs up, thanks. If you've just joined us because you're looking for a bit of gear for enduro bikes. If you just stumble across it because you're after some enduro gear, please consider subscribing. Just don't always do this. Do it off-road, do all sorts of different stuff. So yeah, give us a sub, give us a hype, give us a thumbs up. That's how very much. And don't forget, if you're riding out there, ride safe, be safe, keep safe. And as they say, we'll see you soon.
Like and subscribe.